There is a story that one old woman in the forest, I think it is in his hospital or somewhere, so she was carrying a big bundle of dry wood, and somehow or other the bundle fell down. It was very heavy. So the old woman became very much disturbed. Who will help me to get this bundle on my head? So she began to call God. God help me. And God came. What do you want? Kindly help me to get this bundle on my head. You see? God came to giving benediction, and she wanted to give this bundle again on my head. So, we are doing the same thing. When we go to God, we ask Him, kindly give me the bundle on my head. My family become happy, I may have a large amount of money to enjoy material things. We ask that. That is our foolishness. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaches us, therefore, that actually if you want something from God, that should be only begging for His service.